Number 5, the Casio Pro Trek Climber Line, PRG 340, is a masterpiece of outdoor engineering, designed for those who live for adventure and exploration. This watch embodies the rugged reliability that Casio is known for, featuring a tough, eco-friendly, bio-based resin case and band that reduce environmental impact while maintaining exceptional durability. It comes equipped with Casio's renowned triple-sensor version 3 technology, offering precise readings of altitude, barometric pressure, temperature, and compass direction, making it a trusted companion in any environment, from mountain peaks to dense forests. Its solar-powered system ensures that the watch stays charged using natural or artificial light, eliminating the need for battery replacements. The PRG 340 also boasts a dual-layer LCD display, providing clear visibility of essential data, while large buttons and a rotating bezel allow for effortless operation even when wearing gloves. With its 100-meter water resistance, lightweight design, and shock-resistant build, the Casio Pro Trek Climber Line PRG 340 is more than just a timepiece. It's a tool of precision and endurance, built to perform in the harshest conditions while keeping you connected to nature every step of the way. Number 4. The Casio EDIFICE EQB 1000AT Scuderia Alpha Tauri is a striking fusion of advanced technology and racing-inspired design, created in collaboration with the prestigious Formula One team. This timepiece captures the spirit of speed and precision, featuring a sleek stainless steel case with a carbon fiber dial that reflects the high-performance materials used in motorsports. Its ultra-slim profile enhances comfort while maintaining a bold, sophisticated look suitable for both trackside action and daily wear. Powered by Casio's tough solar technology, the watch draws energy from any light source, ensuring continuous performance without the need for frequent battery changes. The EQB 1000AT is equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing seamless pairing with a smartphone for automatic time adjustment, world time synchronization, and access to over 300 cities worldwide, perfect for those constantly on the move. Number 3. The Casio G-Shock MRG B5000 is a true embodiment of luxury and toughness, blending the iconic square design of the original G-Shock with the finest materials and cutting-edge technology. Crafted with titanium and finished using a meticulous polishing process, the watch delivers a premium metallic sheen while remaining remarkably lightweight and resistant to corrosion. Every detail showcases the craftsmanship of Casio's high-end MRG line, from the sapphire crystal glass with anti-reflective coating to the DLC and cobarium coatings that enhance durability and scratch resistance. Beneath its refined exterior lies the indestructible G-Shock spirit, offering shock resistance, 200-meter water resistance. Number 2. The Casio Pro Trek PRW61 is a remarkable outdoor companion designed for adventurers who seek precision, durability, and eco-conscious innovation. Crafted from bio-based resin materials, this watch reflects Casio's commitment to sustainability while maintaining the rugged toughness expected from the Pro Trek series. It features the advanced triple-sensor version 3 technology, providing accurate readings of direction, altitude, barometric pressure, and temperature, essential tools for navigating the wilderness with confidence. The PRW61 is powered by tough solar technology, efficiently converting light into energy to ensure reliable performance without the need for frequent battery changes. Its multi-band 6 radio-controlled timekeeping automatically adjusts the time for ultimate accuracy, no matter where your journey takes you. The watch also boasts 100-meter water resistance, making it resilient against rain, splashes, and challenging outdoor conditions. With its lightweight design, easy-to-read LCD display, and intuitive button layout, it offers both functionality and comfort for everyday wear. Combining innovation, environmental awareness, and dependable performance, the Casio Pro Trek PRW61 stands as a symbol of adventure-ready technology built for those who explore beyond limits. Number 1. The Casio Pro Trek PRW6900 is a powerful blend of sophistication, toughness, and advanced outdoor functionality, designed for those who demand performance and precision in every environment. This watch embodies the adventurous spirit of the ProTrek series, featuring a robust stainless steel bezel and a bio-based resin case that offers both durability and sustainability. Equipped with Casio's latest triple sensor technology, it provides accurate measurements of altitude, barometric pressure, temperature, and direction, making it an indispensable tool for explorers, hikers, and climbers. Powered by tough solar technology, the PRW 6900 harnesses energy from light sources to ensure consistent operation without battery replacements. While Multiband 6 radio-controlled timekeeping guarantees precise time adjustment anywhere in the world. The watch's analog digital display is designed for clarity, offering excellent visibility even in low-light conditions.